Hello, it's Lazy River. I'm floating away, guys. Come on, Julia. Come on, I'm holding on. Lazy River is no longer a scary or stressful thing. We got two big kids here that just swim in the Lazy River. Tell us how you swim.
And I'm not walking, I'm just dragging my feet.
Yeah, it's wet. You're letting it push you. Yeah, whoa, leave it alone. Something from the tree that fell in. Chill out. Julia, hello.